Oh, he's about to be. Oh, no, he also right now. Like a fucking get back, like a fucking animal. Dude, the saxophone guy played Ralph.
Oh, yeah.
From The Lost Boys. Charlie.
What happened?
The saxophone guy with all the leather shit and the chains.
Dude, he played Ralph.
He played it Ralph.
Hey, you got one of the keys to the camera?
Wash the skin instantly.
Yeah. You're gonna whatever. It'll come off somehow eventually. So, those holes are not supposed to go all the way through into your, in your fucking crankcase. So, whatever. I fucking had it on there for a while. Then I put the right parts to hold that on. They got like those
ring and shit.
They got the ring and then that fucking stupid thing, and then you put the fucking washer that okay, did all that, and then I had the leftover bolts with the fucking hole in them and the spring, so that the thing is supposed to be able to jiggle when you're riding your fucking bike down the road in the 30s. That was nice, dude. I just heard that. It just walked out. You ran out, dude. That thing's running down your fucking nut bag.
Are you a poop dude?
That thing,
are you a poop dude right now?
Your nuts are down.
Damn, dude.
In that
That's sick.
So the two in the back with the springs, I always had those hooked up, but I had bolts with just like nylock washers on there, just tight, and now I was like, oh, I'm gonna put the fucking springs on.
Right, because you're correct.
Yeah, because I'm like, I want it to be right.
Yeah, because you're
ish.
correct.
And I don't think it holds it tight enough.
Correct.
So I think if I tighten those and pull it back, it's gonna bring everything away a little.
Yeah.
That's probably it.
Right.
So.
Right.
That's
Hey, you know what that means?
So.
I'm gonna go walk over and get some fucking seltzers.
You can grab it. I mean, it's gonna not like,
Okay, can you text Zach and say we need a belt and we need...
Read the number off. It should be an 11.
Guys.
Really? It's probably the same as mine.
Maybe I could just wear it. It's an accessory now.
Nothing. We're hanging out in Wisconsin. What are you doing?
Wisconsin?
Yeah. We just went into a supermarket with a bar, drank some gin and tonics, and ate some fucking cheese curds. John tried to do a wheelie on his red panhead because he's a fucking retard.
Yeah.
And he snapped a belt. Keeps counting the teeth and it says 132, and then we look online and it seems to be 8 millimeter.
It's the same belt.
Okay.
Like one will be one size and the bullseye plus 8 inches. One so it's cut hair longer.
Cut hair longer.
Because some bikes you can get the training far enough forward.
Oh, okay. So do you think it's worth buying both just in case?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
That'd be a good idea.
Hey, Ross said yeah, buy both just in case. Okay.
When I was put together with bubble gum and coat hangers and fucking lined up with the fucking.
They go to BDL tomorrow and mail us whatever.
a beaver.
So if I can ask him and see if he can go there and see if they have a bullseye, just in case, and then we'll get that other one too. So I'll just send him the number.
I can give you a show in our cars.
Oh!
Dude, do it! Is that all you guys all lined up?
Yeah, that's our cars.
Blow a few reds for us.
You fucking prick. I'm gonna do any of your belt. I need your belt drive.
It's a good one.
Oh no! Do you think we should try them? I think we should have a couple. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try Maybe I might just do it. Well, let's split one and see how it goes, dude. We'll start it now. You know?
What happened to him?
What happened? Craig stepped on him.
I got 2 tickets to Iron Maiden, baby.
What's wrong? Charlie, are you okay? Huh? You have a rough night, Charlie?
Fine.
Shut up. All right.